she becomes a little treasure. If we throw